Boost your SEO with effective link building strategies. Hey there, fellow digital enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of link building strategies. Whether you're a seasoned SEO pro or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you supercharge your website's visibility. Quality over quantity. First things first, it's all about quality over quantity. Gone are the days of spammy links. Focus on getting links from reputable, relevant websites in your niche. These high-quality backlinks not only boost your SEO but also establish your site as an authority. 2. Content is king. Next up, content is king. Create exceptional, shareable content that naturally attracts links. Whether it's a comprehensive guide, a thought-provoking blog post, or an engaging infographic, compelling content is your link-building ally. 3. Outreach and relationships. Building strong relationships is crucial. Reach out to influencers, fellow bloggers, and website owners in your industry. Engage with them on social media, offer guest posts, or collaborate on projects. Genuine connections often lead to valuable backlinks. In conclusion, link building isn't just about getting more links, it's about building a robust online presence. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on quality, create outstanding content, and nurture meaningful relationships, and you'll watch your website climb the search engine ranks. Thanks for watching.